Okie dokie. I have not recorded one of these videos in a really long time. It's like 2 months. So it's been a while. Anyway, updates. I moved. My husband came home from a year-long assignment in South Korea. That's kind of my excuse. What's that? Oh. Oh. Here, you want this? Knock yourself out. Not literally. Yesterday, my husband had a PT test, Army PT, physical training test. I took my own PT test, pregnancy test, positive. Yay! We're expecting. Anyway, I've been feeling this gratitude for this pregnancy. I'm very ambitious about this YouTube channel. I write poetry. Maybe I can start publishing my poetry. I feel like I've been focusing a lot on myself. I have felt very disconnected, discontented. These were the thoughts that I had in mind yesterday morning. I made my way over to an institute class, a religion class. She started off, the teacher, with a really cool story. She talked about Buzz Aldrin. And for those of you who may not know, he was one of the first men to walk on the moon with Neil Armstrong. Buzz wanted to show gratitude and commemorate this moment in a special way. Buzz was an elder in his church. He went to a Presbyterian church. He talked to his preacher or pastor. His pastor said, you should read a scripture and then take communion. The scripture that he read was a scripture from John. It struck me, this moment, which had such magnitude. Walking on the moon was easily one of the greatest accomplishments of mankind. He recognized God in that moment. Recognized it's only with God that was able to happen. I really appreciated that. It struck me in a really powerful way. I could just feel like that swelling in my heart, a pinch behind your eyes. Don't cry. I thought I'd make a video today. I'm not wearing any makeup. My hair is not done. I haven't showered. But I was gonna make a video. We're gonna keep talking about God and keep talking about the gospel and keep a lookout for my poetry. Keep an eye out for more videos. Next week I'll talk about another powerful spiritual experience of mine. It's one of those big turning points in my life. I have hesitated to share it just because it is so personal. The circumstances in which this moment took place are not fun. I will probably be a little bit vague, but the details on what I felt and the results of that will be shared next week. Thanks for watching.